Hi everyone. So today I wanted to show you 5 tips and tricks that you should be using for Windows to help you get the best out of the Windows operating environment. So let's get started. The first one is arrow shake. So you typically got lots of windows open. So here I've just got 3. If you take the one you want to focus on and just hide the other ones, left click on the head of one window and shake that left and right, and you can see it minimizes all the others and lets you focus just on that particular window. If you want them back, just left click again and shake left and right, and back they come. So that's tip number 1. Next one is right click on the Windows icon. So traditionally, if you left click on the Windows icon, you get a whole list of apps and notifications, but you might not like that. You might look something a bit more traditional. So if you go to the Windows key and right click, you can see something more akin to the old Windows NT and XP days, and you've got a whole list of shortcuts that takes you to power options, for example, straight to the file explorer, or you can hit the run command so that you can get to a particular app more quickly. Next one is Windows Shift and S. So Windows Shift and S will open a image grabber, so you can start to cut images and pasting them, even doing some small amounts of edits. This has not been great on Windows in the past, but for the first time in Windows 10, they've got something which is a lot more interesting. So as I say, to access that, you just press the Windows key, Shift and S, and that opens the snipping tool. So you've got different options at the top here. You can do a rectangular snip, you can do a freeform snip, so you can go around and take out more complex images. You can actually do the whole window, or you can do the full screen. So for example, if I just select this rectangular snip, for example, I can select the image I want, let go, and that's now copied it to the clipboard. If I click on the pop-up, I've then even got some basic editing tools. So here I can start to do some writing on the screen. You've got different pen environments. You can crop it, you can resize it, you can rub bits out, for example. So that's the Windows Shift and S. Next one is Windows plus a period key. So if you hit the Windows screen and period, that will pop up emojis. So any app that you're in, any Microsoft app, could be emails, it could be PowerPoint, could be Word, at any point, just hit the Windows key plus period, and you can go along and select yourself an emoji to add in. So the last one of the 5 I wanted to show you was around personalization. So if you go anywhere on the desktop and right click, you can see at the bottom of the pop-up menu personalization. Left click on that, and if I just maximize that screen, and then on the left menu, if you go down to colors, you can choose a light or a dark mode for how Windows is presented. So I've got mine on custom because I like the Windows mode to be dark, but I like the app mode to be light. So just to show you how they might change, if you hit the light mode for the Windows, you can see the Windows taskbar turns light. If I hit it dark again, off it goes. And then choose your default app mode. So if you want that to go to dark, just hit dark and everything goes dark. So it's up to you how you have it. You can have it all light, all dark, or you can have custom. Anyway, there are 5 tips and tricks which I hope make using Windows a little bit easier and maybe even a bit more interesting. I hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next one.